I had to hit the streets and represent them birds, baby. And who better to do it with than UNICE hair?
You and I know you ain't about that life. Drop with me now.
Hey, my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am back with the unit from UNICE Hair. So we are back. I have a unit here from UNICE Hair, and I am actually going out to watch the game, the Eagles game. So I'm not dressed yet. I'll get dressed once we give the final reveal of this unit, and I'll show you what we're working with. So we're coming through with UNICE Hair, okay? I'm super excited about this one because this unit is supposed to be like a 7x5 by knot wig, okay? So let's pull her out. This is our 7x5 by knot wig. She's a chestnut brown color. I got this from the UNICE Amazon shop, okay? Let me just show you that again. Look how beautiful that is. Like really, really stunning. The color is gorgeous, okay? Really, really giving. So this unit, let's get into the cap construction. There are no combs. Okay now, UNICE Hair. No combs. She's a 7x5 lace closure, okay, on a dome cap. She has one comb in the back with that latex at the bottom to make sure that there's for a secure install as well as an adjustable band. So they're saying, we're going to make sure to stay up on your mammy tapping head, sis. Relax, okay? And no, I'm not. I put on my nails, y'all, so then now I can't braid my hair because my nails are too long. So I'm going to have to wait a little bit. And we just want to find an alternative. So let's just see what she is looking like. Just straight up out the pack. Okay, so I tried to make my bun as small as possible. Because, you know, she got a little bit of hair. Just a little bit. This is very big hair friendly already out the pack. I'm going to just tighten her up using the band. Okay. So this is what we looking like. This is the lace before. Okay. Let me do some work on her. I'm trying to figure out how I want to style. She is kind of already curled, if you guys can see. I think I want to comb her out a bit just to see what she actually looking like. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.
All right, my loves, let's use our cream black radiance palette to get on into this unit. So I'm taking this palette, I'm using the contour piece and just darkening up that lace, okay? So you guys can see what she's looking like on the other side of this. Now this made for a really seamless install. What you can see here is that once darkened up, she's looking like she's coming a bit more up out of the scalp. But we still have a little bit of work to do. So I'm going to go on through and just pull out my edges on the side. This is something that I like to do when I have either a 7x5 or any kind of closure unit. I think it makes for a seamless install if I'm able to pull out my edges and kind of style them up. So this unit is a UNICE by Knots Pre-Everything Glueless Wig. This is a balayage brown, really like that beautiful chestnut color that I'm really into this season. She's a 7x5 lace and 150% density. Now for a 24-inch unit like this, she's currently going for just around $208, okay? I'll make sure to leave everything that I've used here, including my Andy straightening comb and my very small flat irons. I want to make sure you guys can actually tap into those as well, because those to me are exactly what you need for a seamless wig install. So I'm just going on through and getting this unit laid down properly. Now, this unit does not need to be glued down. I want to make sure I really say that. But I chose to do that because I intended on running the streets this evening. And I didn't want no mishaps, mistakes, ifs, ands, or buts about it. If you're picking up what I'm putting down. I love the way this unit looks up. It makes me look like really, really stinking cute. But that's here nor there. Let's literally talk about this. So I'm just using a little bit of spurts. I'm not even like really gluing her down how I normally would. I just really want to make sure that the lace is like near invisible, okay? You always want to see a bit of lace, but we want to make sure it's as close to the Mimi Tappan scalp as possible, and laying her down with a little bit of spritz will do the trick for that, okay? So I'm going on through, I am going to chop this unit up a bit because I just think sometimes layers really does help style the unit up appropriately. Now I'm going on through with my anti-straightening comb and getting this unit together. I'm going to use my T3 barrel curlers really just to curl her up and pin it. We really want to make sure that these curls are in place, okay? Because again, I plan on having a night and it requires longevity. That means longevity for me as well as the hair, okay? The texture of this hair is silky straight. Again, this is like a body wave unit, okay, which is really, really nice. I really did enjoy the fact that it came relatively curled itself, so I try not to, like, compromise that. Really just enhance the curls, if at all possible, which I think we're able to do using our T3 barrel curlers. So I'm just going to go on through and mimic this curl throughout the rest of the head, and I want to take her down. We're going to let her cool down. Once she's cool, we're going to take those pins out and really finish styling up this unit.
Okay, so I'm done. This unit is super simple. It took me no time to get together. I really wish my hair was braided under here because I can already feel the unit going to slide. Probably ship it on a cat, but I don't feel like it. I'm just going to take my chances. So wish your girl luck. This is her all finished. I'm dressed and ready to go out. Okay, so this is the hair. Let me turn around for you guys. I don't even know what the back of the head looked like. Let me brush her, fine embarrass y'all. Okay, this is the back. This is just really supposed to be another easy wig slay. It's not supposed to be anything that really requires a lot of us. And I feel like that's what she gave. She gave easy breezy, UNICE hair, a super inexpensive unit with some nice elements. Like, I love the color of this hair. I love the lace. I think that that's all you need. Love, sex, and magic. Easy and breezy, okay? We want to get up and go. You're going to throw this mother jump up on your head and say bye-bye, knots. Say who? Bye-bye, knots. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So I really don't have anything else to say. I kind of did it for you guys. This unit is beautiful. She's bouncy. She's really kind of giving what I want her to give. Everything I used here, including my Garnier Fruit Tea spray that I am newly obsessed with, will be in my Amazon shop, okay, including this Mimi Tappan wig. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you for pulling up on me again, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.